Paglalabas na sila, no? Grabe. Oh my goodness. Grabe. Oh. Hi, sir.
If you have any questions, let me know.
Yes, sir.
If you want to look on the cockpit, you can go up there.
Okay.
Maybe just a couple at a time because it's a little bit tighter and smaller up there.
It's awesome. Thank you so much. Girls, go upstairs. We'll wait for you. Yeah, go check it out. That's how you do the plane.
Yeah, we're super small.
Go check it out, Jolene. Check, see?
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
How's it going?
It's going.
You come up here if you want.
Go get the akit ka muna.
Yeah, we're super small branch.
See when you...
I don't either. And we're under the DHS, we're not DOD either.
You're under the Homeland Security.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, y'all sit in the seat if you want.
Jolene, you wanna sit? Come on.
You can take a picture.
I know. Kids.
Yeah. Have a good one.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Y'all have more authority than police.
Grabe, uy. Wait!
Yeah, it's not common.
Oh! Ganda. Did they went to the big one? Let's go to that one.
Troopers.
Let's go to that one. Where they now?
Just hold it. We gotta find them. Somewhere.
Yeah, they already went out. Where?
Oh, we lost them.
Where are they? Oh, they. Oh, go. You guys need to go a game. Yeah. Are you? O, so saan na tayo? Ayun na, punta na tayo. Let's go to the plane. Oh, let's go to the plane now. There's... Yeah, let's go. We'll follow you. Guys, let's go. Jade, come on. Yay, UAA. Yay. Okay, speed. They're going to a robotic class on next week in Wasilla. They're going to a robotic class in Wasilla. Yeah.
Wait, where's that?
Oh, right, a penny.
Yeah, they're going for a robotic class at Wasilla, UAA. The summer program.
You are?
No, the twins.
Okay.
Yeah. They have to start 7:30. Oh, take a picture. Oh, mug? You got a mug? Lucky girl. Wow. Yeah, we signed them up on that summer camp in October. This next week starting.
Great.
Engineering.
Oh, good. Yeah, that's a good camp. That's a good camp.
Yeah.
I want to take your picture.
Oh, take a picture, guys.
All right, hold this. And
Who got a mug?
All together.
There you go.
Oh, all together, family. Go UAA. You guys gonna be in the website?
No.
Yeah, we signed that up, but it start like 7:30 to 5. So the twins. Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for coming by.
Yes, sir. Jilana, give that to Grandma. Jilana, let me see your... Ay, mother, ayan na, mother, picturean kita dyan. Hello, karating ka na sa Air Force Base.